All right, down and square, hold for 5 seconds. When you see this flashing, the H, the 0, and all of this, hold the square for another 5 seconds. Now at this state, we're going to hit the down arrow. This is our cubic feet. Maybe you have 1, maybe you have 2. There's even an F for filter, which means you'll just backwash. It won't use salt or anything. You can even have little things like 0.15 and 0.25. Those would be really small. Half a cube, 3/4, 75, 1 cubic foot, 9 by 48, most common. Okay, square locked in. Time of day. Let's change the time of day to 3:45. Hit the square. Day of the week, Monday. Oh, hit the square. It's Tuesday. Hit the square again. Time of regeneration, 2 a.m. Hit the square. You want to make it sooner or later? I'm going to leave it at 2. Hit the square. Days override. That's what this 0 is. You can leave it at 0 or hit the square and say, oh, no, I want this thing to regenerate once a week no matter what, or every 30 days. You know, you can go all the way up to 99. And if you leave it at 0, it will never go unless you use the gallons. One thing you got to watch out for is this 0.5. You accidentally put it on that, it's going to go twice a day. I don't know why you'd want to do that, but if you did, you could. All right, leaving it at 0. Salt amount. That's S, not a 5 for standard. We can back that up to low, but that's only 3 pounds per cubic foot. I don't think that's going to work in most situations, so don't go there. There is a high, which is 15 pounds per cubic foot, and that's really on the high side. If you have really hard water, like 40, 50, 60 grains, or tons of iron, 5, 6 parts or something, you might benefit from going with the high. But most people are going to be just fine at standard, which is 9 pounds per cubic foot. Now, let's lock that in. Capacity is calculated at 25K grains, 25,000 grains. That's based on 1 cubic foot and the salt setting of standard. Higher salt could get you 30, but that's all it would get. Double the salt only gets you about 5 more, so not recommended again. All right, we got one more step. Down arrow, hardness. Systems default at 25, but your hardness could be higher. You know, it might be 32, or it could be lower, might be 18. For this, I'm going to just put it back at 25. That's the way it came. Hit the set button, and now it starts alternating between capacity and time of day. Here's your capacity. You have 1,000 gallons with these settings, and it is Tuesday at 3:48 p.m. You'll see the capacity lower each day or throughout the day as you use the water. And when it gets down near 0, it's going to go that night.